So, hello guys! Ngayon punta kami ng Dubai Design District para umattend ng fashion show. Kaya tara, let's go! Ano ba yung sinabi ko? Ha?
Little hair. Diba? 10-minute hair by Mama Arms. Visit ako sa shoes. Sakto yan.
Babay madami na ito.
Bongga! Tinunan yung dress. It's very gorgeous. And yung shoes.
So
At
expensive.
saka ito yung first time ko na-attend ng mga ganitong M&M sa buhay.
And
Yeah,
the last.
let's go.
Give me something that I could lose. Baby, baby, oh.
Ayan, so it's our day to here in Dubai. And for today's video, pupunta ulit kami sa Dubai Fashion District para sa rehearsal.
Because-
And today is the day! My first ever fashion show experience with Michael Singh.
257 boys.
Oo, Oh my God, sana kasha. Pagkasya natin. Ay, ayan sa likod.
Baka pwede.
Hooked on you, baby, you're golden. Time moves, I never noticed. Just can't get enough. Got me wonderstruck.
So, andito na kami sa rehearsal and na-late na naman kami. Wala namang bago, pero maaga kaming dumating. Kaya lang something came up. So, nagpa-practice na akong lumakad kasi it's something very new to me. Alam niyo naman, first time ko, pero wait lang, kaya natin ito.
I keep on waiting for the hurricane to come and wash the magic that you brought away. But somehow all the colors just keep getting brighter. Yeah, I'm feeling it more every day. I think I'm hooked on you, baby, you're golden. Time moves, I never noticed. Just can't get enough. Got me wonderstruck. I knew the second I met you, I was doomed to never forget you. Just one single touch got me wonderstruck. Now I'm dying when you call me yours. Pour my heart out on the kitchen floor, 'cause oh my.
Kung kilala mo ako at close tayo, malalaman mo na muffins talaga ang
So,
yeah.
oh. Hindi ko yun alam.
Mahilig ako sa sweets, pero syempre nagpipigil ako kumain.
True, madam.
Medyo maluwag.
Parang kaya pa kasi kipan eh.
Totoo nga. So, pumunta na kami dito sa venue para mag-attend ng fashion show and sabi ko, this is my first time. Kaya kinakabahan na ako at tingnan niyo naman yung paa ko, sobrang dami yung paltos mo na kanina pero sige nalaban tayo. So, picture! As a sweet girl, as a high school student. Charot. Tara! Ganun pala no? Nakakapa ba? Kilala ko ba naman ako? Anong size ba? Randy Bandas na Katsomo. Yeah, we did! Totoo ba?
Yes, Miss Glenn! Pagkatawan! Nakikita dito, hindi halata. Nakatawan at TV na ng mga tao. So sweet.
Thank you so much. So, ayun guys, tapos na ang aming trip to Dubai. Sobrang quick lang na naging trip namin. And sobrang saya naman ng experience. And syempre, pangarap ko yun And, ayun, pangarap ko siya kaya ang saya ko. So, thank you guys for making
We love
this
you,
trip
madam.
possible. Love ko kayong lahat.
We're so proud of you.
Thank you, Mama Michael Cinco. So, yun lang. Until my next vlog.
Bye! Bye! Ayun.